557, let's get going here. So inside of the system index, we've added a new system called Genblit. It is the first system in dependency order, 36th system chronologically. In const macros by system, we have added the Genblit constant data. There's nothing here yet, and I don't think there ever will be. In data by system, we have added the top level global data associated with Genblit. There probably will never ever be anything in here because this is a generic stateless utility, but the design of my engine necessitates that I have this section. In the Genblit function section, we have the dependency enforcer here. So there's a few systems that I know I definitely want to be added after Genblit is included into the project. Down here where both images are identical size, we have this function Genblit pixels 0 and pixels 1. And this is the width and height of the pixels, right? So pixel array 0, pixel array 1. We're going to copy from here to here, right? So these are the inputs, the pixel arrays, the width and height of both of these pixel arrays. We're going to error check and make sure that both pixel memories are exactly the number of bytes they should be, and we'll do the bit blitting logic in the next video, okay? So we're just stubbing in the Genblit system right now, right? In Fiopunk, we have the rest of the code done. So this is the callback of the callback, right? So this is the function that sets up this callback, that sets up this callback. So we're 2 callbacks deep. And if we scroll down here, we see this copy data into game section that we made a few videos ago. And now we're handling the 896 by 896 pixel memory properly, right? We have to copy over the file contents that we just got into the global RGBA 896 memory, which is, guess what? 896 by 896 pixels. Then we're going to set up some temporary variables here so that we can call the FILE896 function that copies RGBA 896 into pix2048. Pix2048 being the game memory within this hotel coordinate. So the center level pack is where we're going to paste it. And we have to handle this case as well. We'll do that in another video. Okay, here's what we did previously, and here's our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm out of here.